music off!
Hey, fuck you!
Gotta get this fucking mute button. Instant delivery, huh? Yeah, right. Okay.
Here's your package.
Thanks.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Oh, this is sweet. Oh, what else can I do?
7 Wonders of Death? Oh my god! He's like my favorite though. He's so...
God. Yo, Brett.
Alright,
Look, I have this problem. This button, it like mutes things. I don't have. Just come here.
Alright. Have you tried reading the instructions?
Okay, it didn't come with instructions.
What do you mean it didn't come with instructions?
It came in a box. This was the only thing that was in it.
Alright, so what's the problem? You can't unmute things?
Like I can't unmute it, and it's like annoying.
And when you mute something, you can't hear it at all.
At all. I can't hear anything. Like, if I mute something, like this morning I muted cars, and there were like 4 cars on the road, and then I couldn't hear anything. It was
There
done.
were cars on
There
there.
were cars on the road, but I couldn't hear them.
Try hitting it twice.
Like, hitting the mute button twice?
Yeah. See if it unmutes it.
But, like, I feel like that wouldn't...
Maybe it's like a TV, on and off. You gotta turn it back on.
Alright. Okay, now I can't hear you. At all. I can't hear you at all. Alright, let's try again. You're still muted. You're muted. No, dude. No, seriously. Bro. Ugh. Help me. Come on, dude. You gotta help me. Dude, I can't hear anything. I can't. No, seriously, it's this thing right here. Dude, come on. Dude, okay, look. It's this. Come on.